Hachis. Bro, oh no, Corona. Yeah. You don't worry, bro. It's not Corona. Hi, hello, friends. Today, video is something different. However, welcome to AG Animation and Graphic Free Template page. So, guys, today we are going to learn how to animate 3D animation with your mobile phone, totally free. So guys, it's very easy. Anyone can animate, create your own video. So let's go to the video. Go to the your Play Store and type Plotagon. Plotagon story. This one, I already installed that one. Please install. At first you have to install this one, then go inside to the Plotagon. Here is your first interface. So I already created some samples also. So you have to create a new video. Go to new video. The next interface is look like this. So you need the background. So here default TV sofa. So here is you can buy some backdrop fantasy like that, some backgrounds, but you no need. Go to the free, try the free. So here is the free list. You can choose a better to your video, better background to your video. Okay, so I'm choosing this one. I think this is better. Then there is a camera on right side. You can see that. Just click on that camera, then skip establish shoot and establish shoot, like that. Two options are there. A little later I'll show you what is that. So at first you have to create a character, or else there are a lot of default characters. Click no actor label, click on that one. If you click that one, you will get some characters list from here, and or else you can create a new character. So create character button, click on that one. In here guys, you have just click on female or male. Just I am creating a male. So the second, you have to choose a face, old face, or else normal. Okay, and then you can set a hair, and then beard. Then eyes, and some options are here. Okay, now sunglasses and the t-shirt. There are free t-shirts also available. Then you can change the colors also. uh, Blue color, and go to the trouser has black line shoes. Okay, then name it, I am name him as Alex. 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 Alexander. Okay, Alexander. uh, Done. Here my Alexander character is here. Click on that one. uh, and I need another character. Click on another no actor, and I'm selecting this. Is also I already created one. Now in your second box you can create scenes. So I'm click on that one. So you have to select the actor. So I'm selecting Alexander. No, I'm selecting Michael. So in the second drop down you can select the actions. There are lots of actions. Yes, see. Okay, so you can select the actions here. So I'm selecting, click on again that button, then you can go to the next scene. So in here I'm using Alexander. So you can put any actions from here. So um surprise something. Okay. Now click on third button. Then they asking a character. I'm selecting Michael. So in here also there are some animated scenes. So this is and force shake and push, like that. There are a lot of scenes available here. So I wouldn't tickle. Then again you can go to another scene. So here also I am using Michael. So is something talking to hand like that. Okay, now then in right side there is a recording video. So you can record the video when the animation is going. So or else you can click fourth button, and you can upload the sounds also. So I'm recording the sounds at first. So let's check. Hakis. No sound was heard. Check microphone. Okay, something went wrong because I think I already recording this one. I think there is a problem. So uh, just a moment, I am stopping the record and I'll do. Okay, after recording you can check from here, is it correct or not. Yes, sir. It's correct, so you can click the right button. So again I'm closing the screen record because the problem we can't record. So okay friends, I record everything, so I'm going to the video again. So you can check from here, go to the first scene and click on the video button. This scene is not need, so I close that scene. Yes, sir. Bro, oh no, corona. Yeah. You don't worry, bro. It's not corona. I think hope you enjoy it. You can create the animation also. Then go to the export and you can render the video. Click on render. Then export with subtitle, export with without subtitle. Without subtitle, use that one. Then it's rendering. So in here you can select the serving location. So I'm just using to serve the gallery, so you have to name it. So I'm name it as Mr. Corona. Okay, serve it. Okay, done. The file is served. Then go back. Here is your file. So I'm going to the video. In your gallery, there's the video. Okay, so I'm playing this one. Hachis. Ah, bro, oh no, Corona. Yeah. You don't worry, bro. It's not Corona. Okay, thank you very much. Like my page and follow us for more videos and animation, graphic, templates, everything available in my page. So thank you for watching us. I am coming on next week. Thank you.